Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 1000 amp 0 to 15 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been tested and checked out here at our facility. Great working condition. This is air cooled, wired for 220 3-phase. We'll get that going for you here in a second. I want to show you guys the nameplate. As you can see, this is a tap switch unit. Overall dimensions, 32 inches length, 38 inches width, 51 inches high. Total weight, 882 pounds. Get that going for you right now. Bring it over to the oscilloscope. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call here at the office. Phone number here is 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.